everyone and welcome. Today we're building a weight bench and weights. This is part 2 of our exercise series. Let's begin with a 2x6 plate and placing each of the 1x4 plates underneath and on opposite ends of the 2x6 plate. Flip that over and attach each of the 1x1 round plates with open stud to the left and right sides of one of the 1x4 plates. Now on the opposite end, attach the two 1x1 tiles to the left and right sides of the 1x4 plate. Take the 2x3 tile and attach it to the top of the 2x6 plate in between the 1x1 round plates with open stud. Place that aside and take the 2x2 plate and attach the 1x2 plate on top, and then attach the 1x2 plate with bar handle on the opposite side of the 2x2 plate. Now snap that into place onto the 2x6 plate with the bar handle facing the 2x3 tile. Grab the 2x3 tile with open O clips and snap that onto the 1x2 plate with bar handle. Let's set that aside and attach a bar holder with clip to a 3L bar. And repeat a second time. Now grab the bench and place the 3L bar into the top of one of the 1x1 round plates with open stud. And repeat for the opposite side. Let's build our weights. Take the 6L 3mm diameter hose and attach each of the 2x2 round tiles with open stud to each end of the hose. And that completes our weight bench with weights. If you've been following this series, we've completed the treadmill, the weight bench and weights, and next up will be the leg squat rack stand and weights, so stay tuned. Here's the parts list for the weight bench and weights. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you soon.